Hello everyone, my name is Parmjit Kaur and today our group is going to speak on international workforce mobility. And now I would like to start with the introduction. First of all, what is mobility? Mobility refers to the person who are seeking for employment, and international mobility is very important because its aim is to ensure the equilibrium between the countries who are seeking for labor and who have unemployed workforce. So there are so many countries who are looking for workers, but on the other hand there are so many countries they have worker but they don't have job. So the aim of international mobility is to make a balance between those type of countries. Further, there are positive and negative sides of international mobility, such as like for positive impacts, it provide efficiency, it increase the job opportunities, which increase the income of people, and the production also increases. On the other hand, it also causes brain drain phenomenon, and it can international mobility can be seen from two perspectives, such as like first is economy and second is social. From economic point of view, the people who go to another country they are likely to be accepted by the country's community, and from social point of view, the people who are going to another countries they have to suffer so many problems, and there is also decrease in per capita income. So thanks for listening my presentation. Now I would like to call my friend to explain rest part. Thank you.
I'm going to talk about positive effects of international labor mobility. The first point is urban renewal. International labor mobility has contributed to the cosmopolitan and diversity dynamics, giving the renowned urban cities to their specific feel and vibrancy in relation to the social and commercial activities. And the second point is contributing positively to the remittances. International labor mobility also contribute positively to the remittances, the payback checks to the developing country as a result of working off globally. And the last point is balance of payments. Remittance are crucial in balance of payments within the country of origin. Generally, remittance contribute largely as a source of foreign exchange honor for the labor exporting the nation. Balance of payment is very important for the development of the country. Thank you.
I'm here to talk about the positive effects of international labor mobility in the different countries. Firstly, I would like to talk about the international mobility can broaden the trade activities in the several countries, because immigrants may specialize their shops, specializing their products from their home countries. Migrant origin and migrant destinations are inevitable. They create and reinforce trade between family, friends, and acquaintances, which hugely contribute in commercial flows. As a result, this enhances the global transfer of knowledge, technology, and innovations. Secondly, the most positive effects of international labor mobility is it is most important thing addressing the unemployment. Unemployment can be reduced in two distinct countries. Both countries are on the divide. Benefit destination country taps skilled and knowledgeable employee, and finally migrant worker who work for a skill and absorb new competencies, leading to technological diffusion in the home country upon returning. As a whole, people will generate their knowledge, and there will be the development in their society back home. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashwi Patel and I'm here to discuss about negative effects of international labor mobility. To begin with, international labor mobility negatively impacts the native and domestic workforce in many ways. It leads to brain drain effect in some industries where there is great amount of inflow of international workers. Brain drain is the movement of skilled individuals from a less developed area to a more developed area. Brain drain is a process in which a country or area loses its most talented and educated workers to other countries or areas. This leads to skill shortages in the countries from where there's a huge amount of outflow of skilled workers to and a good example of that is my home country, which is India, where a lot of skilled workforce moves to other countries and the home country faces shortage of skilled workforce in the long run. I would like to give another example of United States of America, which has been successfully in attracting the cream of skilled workforce from around the globe, which has impacted the public of America through lower wages and more competitive in job market. And globalization has played a big part in the international labor mobility, which has impacted the countries where they have unsuccessful in getting new workforce in exchange of workers that leave the country. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Diana. I'm giving the conclusion of the study that you have just had on the labor, international labor. Labor is crucial it's a major factor of production, and we have seen from its positive facts that it leads to resuscitation of declined urban cities, and there is growth in remittance of GDP and create business opportunities as members of the home country who are in another country share ideas with other family members back at home on what business to transpire between them. But we have also seen its negative side effects. For instance, there's an influx of laborers in the market, the foreign laborers, and it leads to a decline in the amount that the home laborers are paid, and thus there is an unfair reduction in the wages, and it can lead to strikes and all the complaints. So as a conclusion, it is important that we understand both the positive and the negative side effects of labor mobility and make an informed decision before supporting any side. Thank you so much.